This video is going to be a synapse of boxes that I've made in the past before I started doing YouTube. This box is made from blue swirly glass and curly maple on the ends, as well as Bolivian rosewood and lacewood on the top, as well as an ammonite handle. It has a nice opening with a hinge on the back, and it's about 12 inches by 4 inches deep and 4 inches wide. It sits about 3/4 of an inch off of whatever it's sitting on, and I carved out little areas in the back so the hinge could move freely. This box is made from a white swirly glass. It's somewhat translucent. It has some blue cast to it. The 4 sides, the top and the bottom, are all attached using glass solder. The top is framed on 3 sides with lacewood. The front is left from the pour of the glass, so it has a smooth but very organic lip on the glass. This box is made from 1 solid piece of spalted maple. It has beautiful texture and grain. This box is made from spalted maple and curly maple. The top is attached with curly maple wooden hinges, and the carving on the top is oak leaves. This next box is made of red cedar and chunks of maple burl. I especially love the character and grain in this burl. It is just stunning. It's a perfect remote box. I started to design the top of this box first, framing a leather piece that I had laminated to a masonite, and I added the lacewood handle as well as lacewood hinges. The body is made of Bolivian rosewood, and on the bottom curly maple. This long thin box is made up of 2 pieces of walnut with a live edge, where I filled in holes with resin, put an ammonite handle on it. The box itself is made from mahogany. And lastly, I have this box where I use Bolivian rosewood and lacewood. There's a lacewood handle and cedar inside. I hope you enjoyed my preview of past work that I've done. If you're interested in seeing more, please subscribe, hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. Also in the description, you'll see other links to other things that I do. Thank you again for watching.